Hello, how are all of you? Well, this is May 2025 Powerful Messages from the World of Tarot for my friends, the Scorpions, the Librans, and the Sagittarians. What are the powerful messages for you? Before that, I am your spiritual coach, your holistic wellness coach, your psychotherapist, and your tarot reader, Dr. Alka Mahajan. So let's begin with what the cards say for my friends, the liberals. Liberals, oh my god, you know, conflicts, lots of problems from all sides. So just when you think that you have sorted everything, and just when you think that you can take it easy, you shouldn't get too comfortable in your skin, because the moment you get too comfortable in your skin, your the negative situations or the negative people that you are surrounded by will attack. So there'll be conflicts that you have to deal with, but you will be able to deal with them if you do not just wallow in self pity, but face the situation head on. Because the best way to face any situation is fearlessly. Don't fear. Shying away from the problem is also not the answer. You need to just face the problem and communicate. Use the power of communication to deal with any situation or any negative person who is trying to jeopardize your life. So think about that and take good care. Coming to my friends, the Scorpions. Well, Scorpions, you know what? Uh, you are basically blessed this month. So, despite the difficult situations, you have all the ingredients that can lead you to victory. So, despite your opponents throwing in lots of hurdles your way, or lots of hurdles coming your way automatically with whatever it is, be it in your family life, be it in your professional life, be it in things that you're doing, at the workplace, in your surroundings, you will have the power to just deal with everything. It's going to be like smooth for you. It's going to be like a cakewalk. When the problem comes, you'll just look at it, and in a jiffy you'll be able to solve it, because you'll have all the ingredients. Your mind will work, your heart will work, uh, your all your senses will be in your control, your mind will be in your control, which is something very wonderful, because when we have our mind in control and we're not vulnerable to the toxicity around us, we are able to do just about anything, and so will you. So good wishes to you. Coming to my friends, the Sagittarians, wow, you know it is in your hands whether you want to make the best of a situation, or whether you want to just let it go because of procrastination, or because of laziness, or because of not stepping out of your comfort zone. This month, there's a powerful message for you from the cards that you have the power to create your life, and you can do it wonderfully. It's not something difficult. It's not something that you cannot do. If you just sit and think about it briefly, plan, because planning at times is very important, and thinking what you can do best in this situation will take you to a place that is unimaginably beautiful, which will make you successful, which will invite all the goodness, all the abundance, all the harmony, all the love, all the laughter in your life. So it's in your hands. But do take action, because without action, you will not be able to reap the dividends of this fantastic opportunity and the energies that are coming through the card of the Wheel of Fortune. It's in your hands. You are going to be the controller, the creator of your destiny this month. Well, that was it for 9 signs I have just done. But these are powerful messages. Do share them with your friends, your family, and with whomever you think would like to listen to them. And if you would want longer videos about your signs, do let me know by dropping in a comment. With that, have a powerful May month, May 2025, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Alka Home of Tarot and Education. You can also follow me on Facebook, Alka Home of Tarot, and on Instagram, I am Alka the Tarot Queen. Bye bye. Take care.